Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Radical Lifestyle. Today is our last day in Oman and we have saved the best place for last. We are taking you to Wadi Shab. If you love turquoise waters, hidden caves, and adventure hikes, you're gonna love this one. Wadi Shab is an hour and 45 minutes from Muscat, and it's best to start your trip early so you can avoid some of the crowds and avoid some heat. Once you reach the parking area of Wadi Shab, you have to take a short boat ride which costs just 1 Omani Riyal, and it will take you to the hiking point. Make sure you pack enough water and apply a lot of sunscreen because it's one crazy hike from here. For the expert hiker, this will take you around 45 minutes, but for us beginners, it took a lot longer than that. The path is rocky and passes through palm groves, which offers stunning views along the way. Make sure you wear proper hiking shoes and pack light because you'll be swimming later on. We saw lots of families coming in with kids ranging from all ages, which is great if you have a large group, and you can even plan to bring some barbecue equipment and set up camp along the route. For those of you who don't want to take the boat route, you can even walk across the water, starting your hiking adventure much earlier on in the trip. Along the route, we saw many stunning rock formations. After about 45 minutes of walking, we come across the first set of turquoise pools. We saw a lot of groups taking a break here and cooling off by jumping into this magnificent crystal clear water. from this point on, we had to swim in some places to get to our final destination. Swimming through these water pools really did help cool off during this incredible heat. Make sure you also pack some waterproof bags so you can keep your things dry, especially your phone. After swimming through these narrow canyons, we finally reach the main attraction, this beautiful waterfall inside a cave. To get inside this cave, you have to swim through very narrow passages. But once you're inside, it's dark, echoey, and absolutely magical. Wadi Shab is one of those places that stays with you for a long time after you leave. It's a mix of adventure, beauty, and serenity. If you're visiting Oman, do not skip this place. I hope you all enjoyed touring Oman with us these past few episodes. And as always, I'll be back with some new episodes. And in the meantime, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you next time.